Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get accepted on Raya. First, it's important to know that Raya is invite only and very selective. There is no guaranteed way to get accepted, but there are things that can help. When you apply Raya, look completely at your profile. Use clear, high quality photo. Avoid blurry picture, group photo or filters. Use photo that look natural and confident. Raya strongly prefer applicants who link their Instagram account. Make sure your Instagram is public, look real and attractive. As real photo, not spam. You don't need millions of followers, but a clean page helps a lot. Raya often accept people who are creative, personal, or interesting in some way. This could be your career, your creative work, travel, music, fashion, or art. Your profile should show you are not a selfish. Referral help. If you know someone already on Raya, ask them to refer you inside the app. More referral can improve your chance, but they don't guarantee expectations. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.